How to survive in a snowstorm. Surviving a snowstorm involves meticulous preparation, knowledge of safety protocols, and effective use of available resources. Snowstorms can bring life-threatening conditions such as extreme cold, reduced visibility, and heavy snow accumulation. Number 10. Preparation and planning. Research and plan. Weather forecasts. Continuously monitor weather forecasts to stay updated on storm developments. Use reliable sources like weather apps, local news, and NOAA weather radios to receive alerts. Understanding storm patterns and intensity can help you prepare better. Emergency kit. Assemble a robust emergency kit well in advance. Essential items include first aid kit, bandages, antiseptics, and medications. Flashlight and batteries. Ensure the flashlight is functional and have extra batteries. Non-perishable food. High-energy foods such as energy bars, canned goods, and dried fruits. Include a manual can opener if you have canned goods. Bottled water. At least 1 gallon per person per day for at least 3 days. Warm clothing. Insulated and waterproof clothing, including thermal underwear, socks, and gloves. Blankets and sleeping bags. Insulated blankets and sleeping bags to retain body heat. Multi-tool. Useful for various tasks including repairs and opening packages. Portable phone charger. Ensure you can keep your devices charged. Vehicle preparedness. Winterize your vehicle. Prepare your vehicle for winter conditions by antifreeze. Ensure the antifreeze levels are adequate. Snow tires. Equip your vehicle with snow or all-weather tires. Windshield washer fluid. Use fluid rated for low temperatures. Full gas tank. Keep your tank full to prevent condensation and ensure you have enough fuel. Emergency car kit. Include blanket and warm clothes to keep you warm if stranded. Food and water. Non-perishable food items and bottled water. Flashlight with extra batteries. First aid kit for addressing minor injuries. Shovel and sand or kitty litter for traction if stuck in snow. Number 9. Staying informed. Weather updates. Emergency alerts. Sign up for local weather alerts and notifications on your smartphone. This will keep you updated on storm progress and emergency instructions. Radio. Keep a battery-operated or hand-crank radio in your emergency kit to receive weather reports and emergency updates, especially if the power goes out. Communication. Stay connected. Ensure your phone is fully charged before the storm hits. Have backup charging methods like portable chargers. Emergency contacts. Maintain a list of emergency contacts and establish a communication plan with family and friends. Number 8. Dressing appropriately. Layering. Base layer. Wear moisture-wicking thermal underwear to keep sweat away from your skin and retain warmth. Insulating layer. Use fleece, down, or wool for insulation. These materials trap body heat and provide warmth. Outer layer. A waterproof and windproof jacket and pants are essential to protect against snow and wind. Ensure the outer layer is breathable to prevent overheating. Accessories. Hats and gloves. Wear a warm hat to cover your head and insulated gloves or mittens to protect your hands. Mittens are generally warmer than gloves as they keep fingers together. Scarves and balaclavas. Use scarves or balaclavas to protect your face, neck, and ears from the cold and wind. Number 7. Shelter and warmth. Indoors. Stay inside. If possible, remain indoors during the storm. Going outside exposes you to extreme cold and dangerous conditions. Close off unused rooms. To conserve heat, close doors to unneeded rooms and focus on heating a smaller area. Block drafts. Use towels, blankets, or draft stoppers to seal gaps around doors and windows. This helps keep cold air out and warmth in. Outdoors. Seek shelter. If caught outside, look for natural shelters such as caves, dense trees, or rock overhangs. Build a shelter using snow and available materials if you cannot find one. Snow shelters. Construct a snow cave or igloo for protection. Ensure it's well ventilated to prevent carbon monoxide buildup from any heat source. Number 6. Starting and maintaining heat. Indoor heating. Fireplace or wood stove. If you have a fireplace or wood stove, use it to generate heat. Ensure proper ventilation to prevent smoke inhalation. Safe heat sources. Use portable heaters with caution. Place them on a flat surface away from flammable materials. Follow the manufacturer's safety instructions. Outdoor heating. Fire. If outside, build a fire for warmth. Gather dry wood and use fire-starting materials to ignite it. Keep the fire manageable and use it to warm yourself periodically. Heat packs. Use chemical heat packs for extra warmth. Activate them and place them in your pockets or under your clothing for additional heat. Number 5. Food and water. Food. Emergency supplies. Use non-perishable food items that are high in energy and easy to prepare. This includes canned goods, energy bars, dried fruits, and nuts. Cooking. If you have access to a stove, cook meals regularly to maintain energy levels. Avoid using outdoor grills or open fires indoors due to carbon monoxide risk. Water. Storage. Store adequate bottled water. If you run out, use snow as a water source. Melt snow in a container over a heat source, but avoid eating snow directly as it can lower body temperature. Purification. Use water purification tablets or boil melted snow to ensure it's safe to drink. Number 4. Travel and mobility. Travel safety. Avoid travel. If possible, avoid traveling during the snowstorm. Stay at home where it's safer. Emergency plans. If travel is necessary, inform someone of your route and estimated arrival time. Keep your vehicle's emergency kit handy. Mobility. Traction. Use snowshoes or crampons to walk on snow and ice. If driving, use snow chains on tires for better traction. Visibility. Use bright clothing or reflective gear to increase visibility in heavy snowfall. Carry a flashlight or headlamp with extra batteries. Number 3. First aid and health management. Injuries. Frostbite. Recognize symptoms of frostbite, such as numbness and pale skin. Warm affected areas gradually and avoid direct heat. Hypothermia. Watch for signs of hypothermia, including shivering, confusion, and drowsiness. Warm the person slowly using blankets and warm fluids. Seek medical help if necessary. Health. Stay hydrated. Drink water regularly, even if you don't feel thirsty. Hydration helps maintain body heat. Nutrition. Eat high-energy foods to keep your body fueled and maintain warmth. Avoid alcohol and caffeine as they can lead to dehydration. Number 2. Signaling for help. Visual signals, signal fires. Create signal fires by building 3 separate fires in a line or triangle. The smoke and flames can be seen from a distance. Reflective signals. Use a mirror or any shiny surface to reflect sunlight, creating flashes that can attract attention. Auditory signals. Whistles. Use a whistle to make noise. 3 short blasts are an internationally recognized distress signal. Voice. Shout periodically to attract attention, but conserve your energy and voice to avoid fatigue. Number 1. Psychological resilience. Mental preparation. Stay calm. Keep calm to make clear and effective decisions. Panic can impair your judgment and exacerbate the situation. Set goals. Establish small, achievable goals to keep yourself motivated and focused. Celebrate each accomplishment to boost morale. Mindfulness and relaxation. Deep breathing. Practice deep breathing exercises to reduce stress and maintain focus. Inhale slowly through your nose and exhale through your mouth. Stay positive. Maintain a positive attitude. Visualize a successful outcome and use affirmations to keep your spirits up. Isolation management. Stay connected. If possible, maintain communication with others. Use your phone or radio to stay in touch with loved ones or emergency services. Self-talk. Engage in positive self-talk to manage feelings of isolation and stress. Remind yourself of your skills and the steps you're taking to stay safe.